Onion cooked well and it started to get color like golden brown.
So the onion started to leave, the oils are coming out, so it's ready to put the spice.
We put one tomato.
This is a cactus, buddy, and this is a cactus fruit, and I heard that people can actually eat this. It's interesting, right? Oh, so good. Wow, it's full of cactus. Okay guys, here I am in a beautiful place. Wow, this is anar, pomegranate, and that's the place. I'm here. Hello, Meltem. Hello. So this is their house, guys. It's like, of course, rented house. It's a stone house. Wow, looks good. Check this house. Woo. So guys, this is the house, and our doctor is going to cook some Indian biryani, and this is like the Kabuli chana, what we call it. They have a lot of Indian spices here, haldi and all this thing. Ooh, good. So guys, so this is the basmati rice which actually came from India. Wow, interesting. So it's a biryani time now. So what are the ingredients do you put for biryani?
Ginger garlic paste, some chili powder, okay, some spices.
This is chili powder.
Yes.
Some spices. What spices? And rice.
And rice, we will add some spices like cardamom. And then some.
Okay, these are Indian spice, right?
Yeah, Indian spice.
You don't get here, right? Difficult to get.
It's available.
Very expensive, maybe.
No, it's expensive. We can find it.
And what are you going to do with this? Kabuli chana.
It is for
dinner.
Vada.
You're going to make vada?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm making.
For when? Evening?
Can do, but if cooperation is not there, what am I going to do?
What sort of cooperation you're looking for? I can help you. Okay, cool. It's time for biryani.
That's a good
So
idea.
what's up, Meltem? How are you? Look here.
I am good. We are cooking biryani today. Yeah. So this is onion cutting.
Cutting process, huh?
Yes, exactly. So the rest of it, I need to get help from Mohammed and you.
You got two guests.
Yes,
Hi.
we have 2 guests.
You're hungry.
And this is so strange. We met, actually, you need to tell actually, but we met our guests in the Cheshme.
Where? We went to pick up water and we met them, and they are here. What about you? Tell me about your name.
Yes, I'm Gurkan. I'm very hungry now, and I'm very excited what I'm gonna eat. I don't know.
Yes. Have you ever tried biryani before?
No, this is the first time in my life.
Yes. But
yeah, first time actually. I cooked once, but it was like not like biryani. It was
So it
like,
was like
dolma.
pilavlı et,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Wow. That's really good.
What is the mix of it? What is in it?
Clove, cardamom, and there is another
Garam
one
masala you
thing.
put also?
Yeah.
Garam masala. The original garam masala from India. And I need to say one thank you to Resmiye, who brought it from all the way from India.
Thank you,
And then she waited for us to cook this and then make this video.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Garlic and ginger paste comes here.
Let's see how much.
Let me smell that one also. Nice. Whoa. Wow.
It's much too.
It's coming up.
Oh.
More?
Yes. Fine.
डालो और डालो कोई बात नहीं.
Should I just spill?
Ginger and garlic have to serve like this until the color will change
Golden?
golden brown. Okay. That you have to keep serving because it may not.
You're actually caramelizing it, I guess.
Yes, yes. Sort of, yeah.
Yes.
Hello, Meltem.
I like to stir only. Basically.
So it's time for onions.
Onions. We cut the
Chopped
onions.
onions. Huh?
We chop the onions. Nice. And it's 2 onions we cut. Now we are going to stir more. It will take a bit of time, isn't it?
Golden fry, yeah.
Do we need to put a bit more olive oil? Do you think?
Yeah.
I think it's fine enough.
The book I'm reading right now is Shinrin Yoku. It's a force bath. The book is talking about. It says garlic and onion is a little poisonous, but something doesn't kill you, makes you stronger. The onion and garlic poison, if it doesn't kill you, it makes you stronger. It strengthens your immune system.
Ah, it works in the opposite way.
Yes, yes. And today we are gonna eat a lot of garlic and a lot of onion to get stronger.
This is the root of the onion. You should not eat. It has 70 more than, disease creating things. In Ayurvedic system also, they prescribe not to eat the root of the onion.
Because Mohammed, is it related that sometimes in Turkey they say if you cut the onion and put in one environment, it will absorb the, the negatives like microbes and stuff like that. So it's mainly collected in the roots then.
Yes.
So we should cut the roots and it should not be there.
Yeah.
What about garlic root?
Garlic root don't have particularly in each garlic because it has one center root and it connects with one small stem. So garlic root is not very much important. Already we are throwing it.
It's a picture time. Keep it, hold it, hold it. It's a video. It's a video time.
You did that. I knew that you.
So the rice is getting they kept the rice in the water for some time. And here is the chicken, the mutton ready, which I don't eat. And okay, doctor, what's next? Dr. Chef.
So this onion cooked well and it started to get color like golden brown.
So the onion started to leave, the oils are coming out, so it's ready to put the spice.
We put one tomato.
I think it's gonna be very delicious.
So with bones it's
Because
become more
the
delicious.
speciality is more fatty part will be very good for cooking in rice.
Mohammed, can I ask you something?
Okay, it's time for the spices to go in. So what are the spices actually?
This is cardamom.
Put.
Cardamom.
Cardamom, then?
And then cumin.
Cumin.
Not cumin.
Clove.
Clove. And then
Garam masala.
not garam masala.
No.
Clove and then cinnamon
Ilaichi?
sticks. Ilachi also.
Cinnamon stick.
Cinnamon sticks. What do you call ilaichi in English?
Ilachi is cardamom.
Ilaichi is cardamom. Yes, you're right. What do you call in Turkish?
What do we call it?
Kakule.
Kakule, yes.
Kakule. Cool. So that's kakule. Kakule? Kakule in Turkish, and it's cardamom in English, and this is
Karanfil in Turkish.
And it's long, right? In English it's long.
Long.
This is dalchini in Hindi.
No, it's jadikai.
Muscat.
In Tamil it's called jadikai, but in Hindi it's called, I think, dalchini, I think so. It's a lot of language we are into. And this is the spices. This is the guys, this is the magic of it, the Indian food. Once you don't put all these things, you will never feel the taste of Indian food. Hello, my Turkish brothers and sisters.
Baharats and then spices and then salt we added. Now we are gonna add some chili powder.
Chili powder? This much is enough?
Yeah, because we already put some green chili, spicy green chili.
So guys, this is the base of the whole masala. This is the way Indian food is cooked.
Yeah.
Like literally we kill the food.
Yeah. And yes.
We are the food killers. See the base. Yeah, but
But if you don't see this color, you don't feel like you're eating Indian food, isn't it?
Right, right.
Too flat.
But there is one interesting thing I want to say. Whenever you eat Indian food, make sure you eat a lot of yogurt. Your stomach will not be upset. This is one of the things. If you don't eat yogurt because it's hot.
It's gonna burn.
Yeah, it's hot.
Okay.
And you'll always run into toilet. So make sure you eat a lot of yogurt in the same time. So it balance.
Iron.
Yeah, but I suggest yogurt.
Okay.
Chill or yogurt, awesome.
Okay.
Okay.
So now is the time to put water. So the rice was what's the portion of the rice?
3 cups of
3 cups. So the water will go
4.5.
4.5. Okay, portion of the cup. So it's time for mutton to cook. So this will take some long time, right? Long process.
Yeah, it will take the juice in, and then slowly it will cook, isn't it, Mommy?
Yeah.
Before putting the rice.
And it's in a simmer, right? It's like a slow cooking.
Is it going to be cooked in here or there, Mommy?
It will go both of them, but first.
First, I think we are going to stir here a little bit.
Okay.
Then it will go to this
Okay.
pressure cooker.
So it goes like little bit. It has to absorb all the juices and
Yeah.
everything.
We can we can make it like a curry like this.
Yes.
This stage, if it cooks, it becomes curry, mutton curry.
No problem.
Yes.
It's very simple. One day if you.
They are not using much oregano.
So it's time for the curry and the mutton to go
Wait,
in.
Mantu, don't close it.
To go inside. It's falling the other side.
I think you're not. This is not very good.
It's not good.
So this goes the base of the whole biryani, yeah? Okay. So now on top of this you're going to put rice.
Yes.
Okay. Dr. Chef, Mr. Ansari.
Yes, exactly. And then he's gonna leave the mess for me, and I will manage.
So we are actually meeting what, after 8 months, 9 months? Man,
Yes,
it's
and
so
then
long.
So many things happen.
Yes, I travel all over Turkey, you know that?
Yes.
Crazy.
Yes, I know. You travel all around Turkey. We spent some time in Istanbul. Then we, after the, the formal marriage registration,
Yeah.
we went with our jeans, blue jeans.
Huh?
And then after that, we went for an escape to the West Coast.
Hmm.
And after a few places, we were like, oh, not this place, not this place. Then amazingly, one lady we met in India, in Oroville.
Uh-huh.
She put us in contact with one person here. And we came here, and then we decided to live here.
Oh, cool. So is it time for rice to go in?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it, buddy. So how long this is going to cook? How many minutes?
Maybe 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Are you guys ready? Yeah!
Actually, I put this chickpeas today in the water because without knowing all this, I said that let's make one vada.
Vada. I thought you were going to make hummus.
No, we
Vada.
make vada.
Indian vada.
tonight. Yes, it's a one very nice snack, and I think it's very healthy.
It's like a breakfast in South
It's
India.
a breakfast and a snack.
It's
and
really
chapati.
good. I miss it. No.
It's not snack.
Yes, chef.
It's now closed.
So guys, it's closed now. This is drumstick. It's a dry one.
Oh, okay.
This drumstick.
Oh, Mohammed, you didn't put drumstick in it?
Oh, Maltu, it's biryani. Maltu.
Biryani.
I know.
It's not that.
What the? Where is the whistle, buddy? Whistle.
So it will whistle now?
Dr. Ansari is going to whistle now. Come on.
This one?
Where is the whistle of the cooker?
Well, actually, the
You have to
fresh
listen
one
to
of
cooker.
this is here.
I told you, right?
Yeah,
Take
well-
these seeds and go when
Gurunga.
you're going.
Oh, sure, you have to peel that. We finally managed to find drumstick
Yes.
in Datca.
See, this is the raw.
And then we planted in our garden.
Uh-huh.
We are working on it. And then one couple somehow managed to bring it, and then they cultivate it. And then we cook this. Mohammed, what is good for this one? Tell me. Because it's amazing.
This is for sambar.
Yes, we did sambar, and then in India, you know, we were eating already a lot.
Yes.
And then it's very much...
You can even put in...
And it is good for bones.
It's having all sorts of vitamins like iron. It have calcium,
iron.
and then it balance body very well with the ability of.
So it
energy.
increases the energy level in the body. So if you have a lack of energy issues in all sort of ways, so yes, we are so happy that we found it.
So this is a
and
seed.
This is a dry one. The seeds to be cultivated again.
Cool.
So muringe. So
In Tamil.
Actually, muringe is Tamil.
It's Tamil, yeah. Muringe is Tamil.
Here also it is known as muringe.
Can you use the dry seeds?
Dry seeds only for cultivation.
Yeah,
isn't
cultivation. You just put some water in a pot and then keep it like.
You're back.
Yes, I'm back. With yogurt.
Oh,
yogurt.
that's a good advice. You listen to me.
I'm a listener.
Yes. Guys, now the cooker is like this is off now, no problem. And he just the gas. This is releasing little bit air. So we wait for a few more minutes, right? Once you open the whole cooker. Cool. Till that time, we go and arrange all the plates. Yes, ready.
It looks very good.
The smell.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's time to eat, buddy.
Now it's also
Thank you.
It's also time to say thank you to Mohammed's mom because it's her recipe. Mohammed.
Thank you, Mom. It's Mom.
Mohammed's mom.
So it's time to make the salad. So yogurt.
Okay, we put yogurt, cucumber,
Chili powder.
and chili powder,
Mint powder.
salt,
Today
and mint, dry mint.
Didn't
Oh, cool.
get something
Oh.
happened to me with chicken.
But this is not cow.
Try. Taste it.
Try.
Mm.
Okay. I'm expecting something very hot.
No.
How you feel?
Are you flying to India?
Definitely one day.
Okay.
Oh, the
My
hot.
turn, I guess.
What about
Yeah,
you?
the chili
Okay.
comes afterwards. Now it's a little bit hot now.
Yes, ben şunu alayım çok fazla daraltmadan.
It's delicious.
It's worth waiting.
Yes.
It does.
Even you can try to eat with hands. When you eat biryani with hands, it tastes better.
Afiyet olsun. Eline sağlık. Eline sağlık. Okay, guys. So it's time to eat the food. And it's a biryani time from the chef Dr. Ansari. And his wife Meltem. And thank you guys for coming. And you know, you remember that proverb, right? Khane khane pe likha hai. Oh, cool, guys. Enjoy.
I'm fine with fingers. You can also. If
Okay.
There's no problem. No.
But if they want.
Okay, tata, bye bye to everyone.
Yarın görüşürüz arkadaşlar. Görüşmek üzere.
Take care. See you guys.
Nice to
See
meet
you.
you. Bye.
Bye bye guys.
Bye bye.
I'm gonna make another coffee.
Let's go.
Coffee?